Hi guys, you can see here is another example of quadratic equation, a bit other compared with the previous one, but two of them are still easy. The only difference here is we're having the coefficient of x squared not to be 1. Here it is 5. So how do we deal with this? Very simple. You write 5x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. In the previous video, I told us that when the coefficient of x squared is 1, we neglect x squared and we deal with coefficient of x and the constant. But in this case, we're having 5 as the coefficient of x squared. So what we do now is we multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant. How do I mean? That will be 5 times minus 1. 5 times minus 1, that will give us minus 5. This will now represent our constant, while this represents coefficient of x. So add, we're still using the same thing, add and multiply. What do? You look for two numbers. You think of two numbers, whether they get negative or positive. Now, when you add them, they are going to give you minus 4. Then when you multiply them, they are going to give you minus 5. What are the numbers? Oh, easy. Minus 4. To add, all you need to do is do minus 5 plus 1. When you do minus 5, the two numbers are minus 5 plus 1. When you add minus 5 to 1, you are going to get minus 4. Remember, this is what we are trying to achieve here, and this is what we are trying to achieve here. So when you add minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 is going to give us minus 4. Then minus 5 times 1 will also give us minus 5. So the numbers we are looking for are minus 5 and plus 1. So you introduce that in place of this. Minus 5x minus 5x plus x minus 1. So I have replaced this with this, which are the numbers that I think of. Now we can factorize this. 5 come out, x squared minus, we bring out 5x, we bring 5x because 5x is common to them. So you have x here minus 1. When you multiply, try to open this bracket, you are going to still get this. Then the same thing as this, you bring out plus 1. Plus 1 times x will still give plus, then minus 1. When you open this bracket, you should be able to get this. Plus 1 times x plus x, plus 1 times minus 1, minus 1. Same sign, different sign, minus. Please always check this so that you're not going to make mistake in the next, your write-up. Now, what you do here now is pick this and this and put them in the same bracket. 5x plus 1, then pick one of these two, x minus 1, equal to 0. Are we following? All right. From what we know, if you say these two, remember that a times b equal to 0 only when a is 0 or b is 0. So in this case now, we have 5x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Rearrange this, 5x equals to minus 1, then x, when you divide both sides by 5, x will be equal to minus 1 over 5, while here x will be equal to 1 or x equals to 1. These are the roots of this equation. Easy, right? Please watch, go through the question again, look for any quadratic equation questions you see and try to solve. Please like and share this video for others to benefit. Thank you very much.